Today I'm going to talk about Spokeo and how you can earn money based on its affiliate program. First thing is Spokeo is a website where you can is used for employers, and it's usually sponsored on CNBC, Forbes, New York Times, Huffington Post, ABC. You can look up any name, email, phone, or address on any person. Let's say someone looking for a job. The employer looks up their name and then check, okay, what they have. Anything on social media that may disqualify them from being a potential applicant. And it goes through everything that based on the name, where they live, everything. It is over billions of records. And you can turn instantly on consumer records, historical record, business records, social media accounts, court records. You can stay up to date with it. And they also can block unwanted calls and texts. And they teach you about online sellers that sell information by collecting your information. And they can overcharge you for it. Like they say, $4.99 for this piece of information on somebody else. But they later charge you a credit card bill about $200. And you can use it to connect with lost friends. That's what someone said in California. It's also used for businesses. Typical businesses they usually use for e-commerce, to prevent fraud, nonprofit, debt collection, real estate, legal, healthcare, and so forth. They have a customer service number, email address, open 7 days a week in Pacific time. Yeah. Companies started is an intelligence service company that helps search, connect, and know who who you are dealing with. They started in 2006 as a social network aggregator to simplify digital lifestyle. It evolved in 2008 and then attracted paying customers. Then later in 2010, they grew more than 20 million visitors per month. Advanced transparency. They listen with empathy about conversations and moving forward. And they explain how the data are collected using smart, measurable, actionable, relevant, and timely. And these are the three leaders: the CEO, CTO, CIO, Chief Financial Officer, and so forth. And it also search angels. They also support families and adoptees. They support their local community in promoting science and technology. They have a scholarship, it's good for students. And as non-profit organization, you can start the search now. Okay, if you want to check, okay. Next is the affiliate program. How you get paid. First thing you do is create an account for Spokeo under affiliates. You insert their banner on social media websites. You send traffic and generate revenue. And it's free to join. You're up to 75 commission based on purchases. If someone purchased a Spokeo product, you get 75% of that initial purchase price. And there's no limits on earning, and you're tracking conversion easily. It'll tell you how many clicks and monitor real-time conversions so you can track your profits daily. Okay, first thing is you hit the get start button, fill out your country name, and they pay you by check. So put your real name. And they so far only worked in the United States only. Put your contact information, email, phone address, website URL, website name. If you don't have a website URL, just use Facebook or Amazon or MLM Gateway. You guys want to check if it's real? Okay, go to Who Is. See the previous videos for these. Okay. It's registered under Enome Incorporation. Who is Enome. It was created in 2006 as they specify on their websites. Legitimate true. It was last updated in March 6, 2020. So it expires in 2021 on April 4. And they have a total of 4 servers and many domains. And it's registered, so it's perfectly legit. Right now it's active. And they have a lot of Spokeo, Spokeo.com, rocks, but this is just Spokeo.com, just by itself. Not like Spokeo O Ninja. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below what should I improve on this video and what kind of videos you guys want me to make. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.